Hello everyone, today I have a review of another knife from Dulotec company. It's another button lock knife, model K259 LEAF. The box contains a manufacturer's leaflet, wire for the knife, and of course the knife itself. Total length is 21.8 centimeters, blade length is 9.5 centimeters, blade thickness is 3 millimeters, blade steel is D2, it's a high alloy tool steel with increased corrosion resistance, tempered to 60 HRC, full flat grind, satin finish. On the blade there is an inscription Dulotec and LEAF, button lock, opening with double-sided thumb stud or the bottom. The knife runs on ball bearings. The handle scales are made of black G10. Stainless steel pocket clip without any motif, with the possibility of moving it to the other side. Hole for paracord. In summary, another cool budget EDC tool from Dulotec company. Simple but interesting at the same time. It runs very smoothly and the mechanics work flawlessly. Definitely one of my favorite knife from Dulotec company. No blade play or imperfections. As in the case of the K901 model, multiple opening and closing, you can get addicted to it. I once had a Makeup Predator with N690 and there wasn't a day when I didn't click with it. There's probably something in it that we like this type of sounds. That's all in this review, thanks for watching.